This dance is called Beneath the Sheets. It's to the song Worst Way by Riley Green. Now this dance is completely on a diagonal or facing a corner. So we go from one corner to the next to another and back to another corner again. We never ever square up to a side or a front or back wall. So this is a high intermediate dance just due to those corners. There's one easy restart on wall 3, count number 8. I'm going to go through the whole dance first with the words, then I'll go through with the count, and then I'm going to break it down in section by section. So you can skip ahead or come back at any time that you like. Face the front with me. Let's get through the first wall. We start facing our left diagonal, our 1030. We're going to step forward up with a hitch, back sweep, behind step, cross rock, recover, quarter turn, half sweep back. As you rock, recover and weave across, over, side, behind sweep, behind, quarter, pivot half, keep rolling, 3/4 side drag, behind, quarter, rock forward, recover, rock back, recover, step with a sweep, press forward on the right, slow sweep back, behind, side, cross, side nightclub, rock, recover, side, behind with your cross rock, recover, cross step with the right, and a 3/4 turn hitch, and we're ready to start again facing out 130. We're going to run through it one more time, this time with the count. Weights on your right, stepping forward left on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 into our 130. There is one restart. It is on wall number 3 at our 8 count mark. We simply just go straight into it. Now you will start facing wall 3 at your 430 direction. We step up with a sweep, back, 2, behind, cross, rock, quarter, half, sweep back. You rock on count 8. Simply step forward on your left foot, 1 to start again, back to our 130. Now there is an optional turn if you wish to do it in our 3rd section. When we do our rock forward on the corner, back together, rock back, and forward together, sweep into our press forward. You can roll into that sweep forward. So we simply rock forward, 1, 2, 3. We're going to recover into a forward half, half. Left weight first, forward half, 5, 6, 7. So we're just replacing our rock back, step together. Step with a full turn over your left, rock, full turn left. Now to finish the dance, we're going to get to our 3rd section. You'll be facing our 730, rock forward, recover, rock back, recover, and step on 5. We're going to press forward. Now the music will have stopped by this stage, so we're just going to press forward on the right, sweep your right foot all the way around to the front, and then just step back on it as if you're doing a little curtsy. We've just completed the first wall with words, count, the restart, and our optional turn. We're now going to break it down section by section. Face the front with me. Let's do section number 1. Weights on your right foot. We step forward on your left. Bring your right knee up at the same time. Step back and sweep the left foot around at the same time, and step back, sweep the right foot around. We're going to weave behind side cross. Now your side step is not an out to the side, it's just side of the other foot. So behind, side, cross rock, recover your weight into a quarter turn. You're facing your 130. Half turn as you step on your left foot. At the same time you step, you want to sweep that right foot back into your rock with your right foot. Try it one more time with me. This time we'll run through with the count. Our 10:30, weights right, ready to start with your left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We've completed section 1. We should now be facing your 7:30 in for section number 2. Now I'm just going to turn this around to the front wall just so you can see what needs to happen, and then we'll do it facing the back. So face the front with me. We're going to face the 1:30 time slot, or clock face, whatever you wish to call it, and then we'll turn it around to our 7:30. You've completed section 1 with your sweep and rock back. You're going to recover your weight with your left foot as you sweep. Weave, cross, side behind, cross, step behind as you sweep your left, step behind, quarter turn right. Now using your left foot, we're going to pivot half turn. We're going to keep turning our upper body on that half turn because we're going to roll around half quarter. Weight should be on your right foot, ready to step behind quarter turn to the right, behind quarter turn. Come back to our 1:30 clock. Now keep in mind, when we do section 2 on wall 1, you'll be facing your 7:30. This is just for practicing. You've swept back on section 1, recover your weight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, keep your body turning. 6, 7, 8, Stay where we are. We should now be facing your 7:30 on your clock face, your back right corner. We're going to do it one more time where we should be doing it. So you should be having your back to me if you're watching at home. So we've just swept back with our right foot for section 1, count 8. Recover your weight. 1, weave across. 2, 3 with your sweep. Weave back the other way, behind, quarter, pivot left, and keep that body turning. Half, quarter, stepping your left foot behind, quarter turn. Let's do it one more time. Back to our 7:30. Weights back on your right foot. That's 8. Sweep forward. 1, 2, 3. Bring it behind. 4, you're at your 1:30. Pivot back to 4:30. Half quarter. You're at 1:30. You want to pause it there, slightly drag that left foot in and behind quarter. You should be facing 4:30. We've just completed section 2. Face the front with me. We're going to run through section 3. Now, when we do this on wall 1, you will be facing your 4:30. For practicing purposes, let's bring it to the front. As I said, we'll practice facing our 10:30. For section 3, you've just come out of a behind quarter turn, weights on your right foot. We're simply going to rock forward on your left, together, rock back together. So left foot's going to rock forward, recover, together. We're going to rock back, recover, together. Step your left foot forward. The same time you step forward, your right foot should be sweeping out. That is count 5. We're going to press, taking the weight onto the right foot, 6. Now when you press here, make sure you go directly forward, ready to come back on 7 with your sweep. For 8 and 1, it's the only time we do this little quick count. 8 and cross 1 into our last section. So we're just going to weave forward, press forward, back, sweep, behind, side, cross 1. Let's do it one more time, this time with the count. Still say at our 10:30, we rock forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Now there is an optional turn here if you wish to do the optional turn, and it comes from your rock back. So you're rocking forward 1, 2, 3. Now 3, we're going to start to prep, ready to roll left, recover 4, half, turning over your left shoulder, 4, half. Now that is count 5, so your sweep comes out and you press forward. Let's try that again. Optional turn, left shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Finish up this section. 8 and ready for section 4. We're now going to face 430 and we're going to do the exact same step. Weight slightly forward on your right foot. We're looking at your back left corner. Left foot rock forward. 1, 2, together, back, standard step, recover, together, forward sweep, press on the right, sweep, back, and your quick 8 and 1 for section 4. Try it one more time, facing our back left corner, 430. We're rocking forward, 1, 2, 3 with your turn, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and Section 3 has just been completed. We've got one more section to go, section 4. Now you will be facing your 430 on the clock face, your back left corner to do it. However, one more time, we're going to bring it back to our first corner, our 1030, just so you can see what needs to happen. Face the front with me, and then we'll turn it around and we'll face the back. For the last section, section 4, you will be facing your 430 on your first wall. We're just going to practice here at the front. Now you have just come back out of your quick weave, 8 and on section 3. For count 1, we're going to step to the left as you go into your nightclub, rock, recover, step right. We're going to weave behind, side, cross rock, recover your weight, cross step. We're still at the same corner. We're going to turn right to finish for 8 quarter turn on your left foot, half turn with your right foot, and then you're ready to start again with that step hitch. And you just continually roll 8 1 into that next wall. Come back and try it again. We're going to sweep and weave behind, this time with the count, 8 and section 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, up for 1. Facing our 430, we are going to do the last 8 count, section 4, from the little weave behind the end of section 3. Your right foot goes behind, 8 and 1 for the nightclub, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, cross, 7, 3/4, 8, 1, and you're ready to start again. Remember, you can take this video back as many times and watch those sections as you wish. You can slow it down. You can use the chapters in YouTube. I hope you enjoy this dance. It's called Beneath the Sheets. Have a look out for another video of the demonstration of the full routine. Enjoy.